it's not your fault you can't lose weight. It is not about calories in a way. It's not about calories. It's not about exercise. It literally is an inside, underneath the hood job. But you have to look at with this hand on the hand cradle for 20 minutes. It's going to measure the 2,800 key players inside the body that's controlling the metabolism to find out who stopped showing up for work, whose frequencies need to be turned back
Hmm.
on, and whose frequencies need to be turned off. So that way, when you turn all those cells back on, that's controlling the metabolism, it's just like restoring the electrical current into that living room. All of a sudden, it starts to work again. And like people say, well, how fast does it work? Day one, because a frequency is Jimmy John's frequency fast. It's a frequency fast. Because when I talk to my son, from Australia,
Hmm.
that's a frequency traveling over here to my little neck of the woods and hey buddy, how's it going? And I'm FaceTiming him. That was a frequency. So yeah, that's what we I wonder how many times I said the word frequency so far.